Hello, it's Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Time to talk about how to improve the front curb appeal of your house with a new driveway as the primary element. So we're going to look at 4 different driveways, 4 different styles. Let's get cracking. Driveway number 1, this one is just a cracked, messed up, just unsafe mess. So time to bust it out, bring in the concrete truck and start pumping. And we took this opportunity to kind of reconfigure the front walkway as well, made it a little bit wider. Now, in case you're wondering, this is a concrete color called Palomino, my favorite, as you're going to see in this video. It actually lightens up to be a much lighter color, as you're soon going to see, but it comes out really dark. Now, the other cool thing about this particular driveway is we did these 4-foot expansion joints. Now, these kind of control joints that you see in concrete, it's really important to do them at least every 6 feet, but in this particular case, we did it at 4 feet and did a diamond pattern. Turned out just great. All right, driveway number 2. Short driveway, crumbling, front walkway was crumbling, so we're going to just demo the whole thing out. But this time we're going to use pavers. That's right. So when you're doing a paver driveway, you need to do that compacted road base at least 6 inches deep to become the sub base for those pavers. So we did a beautiful paver driveway, a nice wide 4-foot or 5-foot wide walkway in pavers as well, and then a little access garden path to get through the new garden. All right, driveway 3 really had some issues because not only was it a mishmash of concrete and brick, but the front entryway to the house was really badly designed. So we just demoed the whole thing, and here the guys are smacking and grabbing that driveway out, jackhammering away with that very cool Bobcat jackhammer bit. That thing is so cool when it just blasts away. Another Palomino driveway doing that concrete. And at the same time, some guys are working on rebuilding the entryway to make it a nice, wide, beautiful entryway with some pavers. So here we go. We got some beautiful concrete work being done by these guys, and other guys are working on the walkway as well. So here's the finished product. Beautiful Palomino, and like I said, it really lightens up to a much lighter color. They did a little top cast finish to get some grit. I'm going to show you that in the next driveway, talk a little bit more about top cast and why it's a great product. But here you can see the front entryway. Now it's nice and wide with a safety rail. Easy to see the front of the house. Really adds a lot of curb appeal by having this nice front walkway that's nice and big and wide. It's just gorgeous. Driveway number 4, and we just jackhammered the whole front of this property. It was just a mess. One of the problems with the driveway is that it was actually too high. There was a lip that drained some of the water into the garage in really heavy rain, so it had to be graded out and demoed out. Ripped it all out, regraded it, did some kind of cool bender board designs on the sign, as you're going to see, because I hate right angles. I love doing curvy hardscape. And again, Palomino. I love Palomino. Again, Davis Concrete Colors. There's a link in the comments description for more information about both the Davis color palette and top cast as well. So big, wide driveway because it's a 3-car garage. Here's that top cast I was talking about. Now, top cast is something that's sprayed on the concrete when it's wet. And what happens is it slowly eats away at the very, very top layer. So when it's washed off the next morning, it produces this very gritty surface for the driveway. And it's really great when you have driveways like this where you have a little bit of slope. You want something to give you some slip resistance. At the same time we're doing the driveway, we also did this nice dry stream bed to direct the rainwater away from the driveway and down towards the street. And then we did kind of a cool hummingbird garden, very bird-friendly garden. In fact, there was a bird already moved in. As soon as we finished, the birds had found this garden. Well, that's all the time we have. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe if you enjoyed all the videos. And by the way, here's the one with same driveway at night. Don't forget those lights when you're doing that curb appeal upgrade in your house. Hit that like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching.